Born in the fires of World War II, this design bureau specialized in rugged machines that refused to go down. From ground attackers to global airliners, here is the complete Ilyushin lineage.
To kick things off, here is Fighters I-21. This was a sleek fighter prototype designed to reach high speeds. It featured a unique liquid cooling system for its engine. While it showed promise in the late 1930s, it never saw mass production. This armoured fighter was meant to tackle enemy interceptors. It looked quite similar to the famous attack planes that followed. However, the need for a dedicated fighter version faded as the war progressed. Next on the list is ground attack aircraft. Il-2, often called the flying tank, this was a legendary ground attack aircraft. It was built in massive numbers to destroy enemy armour on the Eastern Front. Pilots loved its incredible durability during intense combat. Number 8. This was an attempt to upgrade existing ground attack designs. It carried a heavier payload and featured a more powerful engine. Despite the improvements, it stayed in the shadow of its more famous predecessors. Il-10, a refined and much faster version of the earlier attack planes. It featured better streamlining and improved armour protection for the crew. It arrived late in the Second World War and served for many years after. 16. Designed as a lightweight and high-speed attack plane, it was essentially a smaller version of the successful 10 series. Performance issues and the end of the war stopped it from entering service. Il-21, this strange-looking aircraft, had the pilot sitting directly over the engine. This unusual layout was meant to give the pilot a perfect view of the ground. It was certainly bold, but it never made it past the testing phase. The next one, Il-40, a pioneer in the world of jet-powered ground attack planes. It featured twin engines and heavy cannon armament. The design faced challenges with engine intake smoke, which led to a very distinctive snout-like appearance. Il-102. This heavy ground attack jet was a massive and rugged machine. It featured a tail gunner position, which was very unusual for a modern jet. Even though it was built as a private venture, it showed impressive versatility. Let's move on to bombers. DB-3, a long-range bomber that became a backbone of the Soviet Air Forces. It was capable of carrying heavy loads over great distances. This machine was famously used for early raids during the conflict. Il-4, an evolution of earlier long-range bombers with a redesigned nose. It served as a versatile tool for bombing, scouting, and even torpedo attacks. It remained a vital part of the fleet throughout the entire war. The 6, designed as a long-range bomber with powerful diesel engines. It was built to fly further and carry more than previous models. However, engine reliability problems prevented it from ever entering full production. Next, Il-22. This serves as a flying command post for top generals. It was built to keep communications running even during a major conflict. It is a sturdy platform that provides a mobile base of operations. In 28, this twin-engine jet bomber became a staple for the Soviet Union. It was reliable and agile for its time. Pilots loved its straight-wing design and powerful engines. Next, Il-30. This was a bold step into the jet age with swept wings. It promised great speed but never made it past the testing phase. It served as a vital learning tool for future designs. Il-46. This heavy hitter was a massive leap in size for jet bombers. It looked like a scaled-up version of its predecessors. Despite its impressive scale, it remained a prototype as competition grew fierce. Il-54. This sleek machine was designed to break the sound barrier. It featured thin, highly swept wings and engines mounted in unique pods. It was a true pioneer of supersonic flight experiments. Next on the list is military transports and special mission aircraft. Il-20M. This specialized aircraft focuses on gathering electronic intelligence. You can spot it easily by the large pods and antennas all over its body. It remains a quiet but vital set of eyes in the sky. Next, Il-22. This serves as a flying command post for top generals. It was built to keep communications running even during a major conflict. It is a sturdy platform that provides a mobile base of operations. Il-38. This long-range hunter is designed to track down submarines. It carries a massive radar in its belly and a long tail boom for detection. It has been a constant guardian of the oceans for decades. Il-76. This is a legend of global transport. With its glass nose and high wings, it can land on rough, unpaved runways. It is the backbone of heavy lifting for many nations. Il-78. This is a flying gas station based on a famous transport airframe. It uses wing pods to refuel fighter jets mid-air. It is an essential part of extending the reach of any air force. Il-80, often called the Doomsday Plane, this is a flying fortress for national leaders. It has no passenger windows to protect against nuclear blasts. It is a serious and mysterious piece of military hardware. Il-82. This is another specialized command and control platform. It ensures that signals can travel across vast distances without interruption. It plays a key role in keeping different units connected during flight. Il-112. This modern light transport was designed to replace aging cargo planes. It features a high wing and a ramp for easy loading. It represents a fresh start for tactical logistics. A 50. This is the massive radar eye in the sky. With that giant rotating dish on its back, it can track hundreds of targets at once. It is a critical asset for managing complex battles. Then, a 60. This experimental platform was built to carry a high-powered laser. It is a fascinating glimpse into the future of directed energy weapons. It stands as a unique and futuristic testbed. Then, a 100. This is a high-tech eye in the sky. It uses a massive rotating radar to track many targets at once. It is a vital part of modern aerial coordination and surveillance. Next on the list is passenger and commercial airliners. Il-12. This twin-engine transport was designed right after the Second World War. It brought modern air travel to many people for the first time. It was simple but very rugged and dependable. Il Fartone. Building on previous designs, this became a legendary transport. It served for decades in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Pilots loved its reliability and ease of handling in tough conditions. 18. This turboprop legend is known for its incredible range and durability. It helped connect remote parts of the world for many years. Many of these planes are still flying today, which is a true testament to their solid design. Il-62. This long-range jet is famous for its distinctive 4 engines mounted at the rear. It was the backbone of international travel for a generation. It had a very elegant T-tail and a powerful presence on any runway. The next one, Il-86, this was the first wide-body airliner produced in the Soviet Union. It was incredibly safe and could carry hundreds of passengers in comfort. It even had a unique system where passengers could carry their own luggage right onto the lower deck. 96. This 4-engine jet is a modern long-haul workhorse. It features advanced winglets and improved fuel efficiency. It is often chosen for official transport because of its impressive range and smooth flight. Then, Il-114. This regional turboprop was designed to replace aging short-haul fleets. It offers great efficiency and can operate from very short or unpaved runways. It is a smart choice for connecting smaller, remote cities. Next on the list is light aircraft and trainers. Il-103. This small and nimble aircraft is perfect for training new pilots. It is very easy to fly and forgiving in the air. It shows that even a simple single-engine plane can be a masterpiece of engineering. And our last category is gliders. Il-32. This was a massive cargo glider built for heavy lifting. It was designed to be towed by large bombers to deliver troops and equipment behind enemy lines.